Myself Mohsin Sheikh. I am from Sholapur, Maharashtra. I completed my graduation in the field of the BCA from St. Michael College, Solapur. After that, I decided to join Quality Thoughts for a Java full stack development. After 6 months of the duration in a Quality Thoughts, I get placed at the GNRD. So I am very thankful and grateful to the Quality Thoughts to giving this opportunity. Whenever I told to my family and my friends, they are so proud of me, and most of the people are surprised. So I get a job in the GNRD with a good placement. First thing will be my confidence. Second is the consistency. Third will be my knowledge, and fourth will be the guidance and all the learning which can be provided by the Quality Thought Institute. As I am a Java full stack developer, as I got a job as a Java developer, so the required skill which I used to crack this job, those are Java plus Spring Boot, JavaScript, as well as the React.js and much more. At the end of the May, I joined a Quality Thoughts. After that, I start my journey with the Niyaz sir, our trainer. The Niyaz sir which told to us, be confident when you do any program, when you do any application. After that, I try to code as well as design like a web application. I regularly practice. I get a good guidance with our faculty like Ravi sir and Pratmesh sir. So these are most of the people are majorly helped me to got a job and in my training period. I can't decide it, but in future I will be decided. In the first salary, maybe I can give some gift to my family. The first suggestion will be, as I am a Java full stack developer in the market in 2025, there are too much opportunity as a Java. So if anyone need to take a admission or in a Java full stack or like much more department, so please prefer Java Quality Thoughts for your learning purpose. In next 5 years, I see myself when I have more responsibility of that company. I don't know about which company I have in my next 5 years, but when which company I want to work, I have more responsibility of that company. Thank you for Quality Thoughts for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.